Welcome to Dad's a Nerd. So today going to be working on the Iron Man build that we have. So last night got the foam painted with the Plasti Dip in order to coat it and have everything taken care of when it comes to that. And I pulled out our red paint that I had purchased just the other day with Cooper and realized that it's nowhere near the right color red. It's very much a very cherry red versus like a darker maroon like you'd expect Iron Man to have. So today, gonna have to be going to the store. We're gonna be getting some new maroon paint, something a little bit more Iron Man-y. And then of course, I figured I'd also probably grab myself some, maybe a mustard paint to put underneath the gold. So I could do like a mustard and then the gold on top of it to kind of give a transition or kind of a layers of color there. So, hoping today we can get that wrapped up. Get some of the paint a little bit more finalized, and maybe even do like a sneak peek into what some of that could look like for you. So join us today. Hopefully you'll find some stuff enjoyable as we try to get this Iron Man build ready for Halloween. You may be thinking, man, Halloween, that's like 2 weeks away though. It is, but we have a neighborhood carnival party that we do every year, and we do it the week before, the Wednesday before Halloween. So since Halloween's going to be coming up, technically they want to do it a week earlier. So I only have 6 days from today to have this ready. So kind of a little bit of crunch time. Got to get the things painted. Got to get his arc reactor lit up and ready to go, and some different items like that. So hopefully we get it all wrapped up, taken care of, and we'll be good to go from there. So we'll see you as we get things wrapped up. There we go. Ooh. So yeah, going to be painting the. Going to be painting the Iron Man helmet. So I'm going to be taping off all of the gold so that I can repaint the red parts and kind of get some of the stuff that happened while we were doing the gold tape off cleaned up and everything. So be working on that. I'll have a few minutes till the boys are off of school, and I'll have to go pick them up, and then they'll be all interested in what's happening with these cameras. Give that a chance to dry, and while I go pick up the boys. So I'm actually on my way to go get the boys. I was working there on the Iron Man helmet, and I realized that last night I had taped off the helmet and all of the armor pieces, and so I could do the gold paint. And then I put the boys to bed. So they actually haven't seen the helmet and everything all untaped with the gold and everything. So I am actually, I'm excited to see what their thoughts are as I get them home and show them what it looks like. So pulling into their school right now, and I'll grab them and we'll be able to tell, get an idea real quick what their what their thoughts are. So, we'll see. You ready to see all the Iron Men? Yeah? Yeah? I showed you the picture of the helmet because I taped the mask. I taped the front off already so that I can paint it, the rest of the helmet red.
Yeah.
So that's what I was doing at home before I came to get you guys. But just seeing the helmet so far, what'd you think?
It's really cool.
Yeah? It looks awesome, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Something strangely therapeutic about being outside, got the wind blowing, taping. Is that weird? Boys are inside playing and not outside playing. Your tapes. Huh. Some sort of glue stretched from one side to the other. So you'll see, I mean, everything's cut into these nice undercuts and grooves. And so that allows it to bend and flex more based off of that. And so as it does that, it allows that so that it's not pulling on the seams as much. You know, these seams would normally want to just pull apart. Even if you heat it, bend it, do certain things like that, it still gets to that point of just wanting to do that. And so kind of cool that, you know, we're able to cut those undercuts in there, those little V grooves, and be able to do it that way. So one thigh taped, one thigh not, plus a couple other pieces left to tape. So let's speed this up a little bit.
Again.
Well, I'm gonna
Move around.
Move around. Do a circle.
Now do your hands out to the sides. Now up out in front of you.
Now walk over to the door.
Is it hard since you don't have your shoes on?
Yeah, I think that'll be one of the issues, and that I have to do like no bending my legs. I have to bend my legs in this one.
What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
All right, Peter. Try moving around a little bit. Try and turn in a circle.
Really test it out, buddy. Move
Like I need you to move and really move.
like you would if you were walking around.
Put your arms up. Put your arms out in front of you like this. How if you kept your elbow in like this, can you bring your hand up and touch your face? That's as far as okay.
And on this one it's like.
Go shake your booty.
Do your blasters.
I think he's being smushed down.
What do you think?